What's up, guys? Family Off-Road here. So I have just finished the 500-mile break-in period for my new gears. I put the 513s in, and what a difference. I mean, it really makes a difference. You know, I have the 3.5-inch metal cloak lift, the 37-inch Nino grapplers, and before this, just with not towing anything or doing anything crazy, I never saw 8th gear. You know, you'd see 7th on the highway. Most of the time I'm in 6th. You know, before this, the video I did before this will be a 3-part one. The one before this was basically saying, you know, showing you guys what I was getting with the stock 410s. This one is after the 513s were installed and after the 500-mile break-in period, which that's kind of grueling because it's 50 miles an hour, blah, 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 all this other stuff. I know some of you guys are interested in mileage. You know, I'm not. I'm really not. I bought a Jeep. I don't really care about gas mileage, although, you know, you don't want to spend a fortune on gas. But before the gears, just your normal everyday around town driving, I was averaging high 13s, you know, for gas mileage. When I would get on the open road, on the interstate, and set the cruise control, if I was doing around 70 miles an hour, I'm never in 8th gear, like I said, and I was getting, you know, high 14s, maybe low 15s at the most. Right now, going around town, and I've been on the interstate now a little bit, I'm averaging 15.8 miles to the gallon. I'm always in 8th gear. Right now I'm doing 48 miles an hour. I'm in 8th gear. And it's a major difference in power. I had a pedal commander on here before because the power was so sluggish. I actually took it off and I'm selling it. I'm gonna let somebody else that needs it, you know, buy it at a discount. I don't need it anymore. I've got plenty of power. So the 513s, I think for me was the right choice. A lot of people had talked about doing 488s. I know people that have 488s, but they're running 35-inch tires, and even though 488s would have been okay on my application, I didn't want to have it and say I should have done 513s, because I do a lot of towing. I do a 16-foot trailer with 4 quads on it. I also have dual jet skis, you know, twin jet skis. So we do a lot of towing, but with the 513s, I think it's a major difference. Really happy so far. Like I said, I've just got 500 miles on this, so I'm getting ready to take a trip, and I'll see what the mileage is on that. And then when I get back from this trip will be part 3. I'm going to do some towing. I'll put the jet skis on there. I'll put the quads on there. Like I said, with before with the quads, taking them up to Georgia and back, I couldn't never get over 5th gear. 5th gear was max all the way there and back, and I averaged 10 miles to the gallon. So this will be nice if I can get higher gears while towing. Really nice. And of course, I'm sure the gas mileage will do a lot better. But like right now, if I'm hitting 60 miles an hour in 8th gear, I'm at 2,000 RPM. 70 before, I would be, let's say, you know, I've got a picture of that I did at 66 miles per hour. I was at about 2,000, just under 2,000 RPMs, and now I'm sitting at about 2,300 RPM. So there's about a 500 RPM difference, but I'm happy with that, because literally before the gears, I was running at about the same RPM that I run now in 8th gear, but I was in 6th or 7th. So I think it's a lot easier on the Jeep, much easier on the transmission. And that's about it for this one. Next video we'll be doing a little bit of wheeling off-road and then doing some towing. So thanks for watching, guys. If you could give me a thumbs up And definitely hit subscribe. This is a new channel. I'm trying to break it in, just like the Jeep here. And I've got a lot of content coming, a lot of content planned, and it'll help the subscriber rate and the views if you guys give me a thumbs up and actually share this video and click subscribe. So, all right, guys, thanks for I'm gonna flip this around so you guys can see the actual mileage. So right there, I'm hitting 55 miles an hour. I'm in 8th gear, 15.8 on the mileage. Talk to you guys next time. Orange sunshade for when the sun rider's out helps a lot. See you guys later.